Hello, so this is a video now. You can probably hear music, hopefully. I tried to put on some music that's not completely annoying. So, yeah. I'm in Animal Jam right now. Isn't that surprising? My mouse is glitching, but whatever. I am in my house, and I figured out I can move the screen. My screen isn't moving, but yours is. Isn't this surprising? My dog's in here. Leave! I don't know what to do. This is mostly a test, so we'll just hope that this goes well. Yes, I do play Animal Jam. Do I regret it? Completely. But hey, I made a friend here. I have more friends on AJ than I do in reality. They're not on. I'm friends with people who are famous, I guess. Why am I trying to trade people? That's not going to help this terrible video. Well, I guess that's it for now. Bye!